According to FIR, one of real uncle of complainant was owner of a piece of land measuring 1 canal 13 marla situated at Mauza Court Lakhpat, Lahore. Full stop. He passed away on 12/3/2024. Full stop. Complainant went to Patwari for the mutation of inheritance. Then it was transpired that above piece of land stood transferred to Riaz Ahmed, petitioner, through forged sale deed vide mutation number 50216 dated 2/8/6/2024. Full stop. Upon mutation, number of registered sale deed was mentioned as 15029 B number 1 jild number 9283 dated 8/6/2021 for consideration of rupees 13.69 million with the office of sub-registrar Nishtar Town, Lahore. Full stop. On the scrutiny of record, one document drafted in English found to have been executed from one Muhammad Suleiman in favor of Allied Bank Limited. Full stop. Particulars of the above documents were different from mutation number 50216. Full stop. On further security, particulars of document number 15028 B number 1 jilad number 9283 dated 8/6/2021. Full stop. New paragraph. Above uncle was suffering from palsy for the last more than 15 years. Full stop. He was bedridden. As such, signature / thumb impression upon the said documents was not that of uncle of the complainant. Full stop. The photo available thereupon was found to have been scanned from CNSE through the help of computer. Full stop. Moreover, in the contents of document memo, further for the purpose of sale was shown to have been issued vide Rapport number 1105 dated 27/3/2021. Full stop. On scrutiny, the signature of uncle of complainant upon above Rapport number 1105 were found to be forged. Full stop. Muhammad Sharif was cited as identifier. Full stop. Bail was sought mainly on the grounds that petitioner, being not a government official, was not subject to of section 5 of Prevention of Corruption Act 1947. Remaining offences under sections 420, 468, 419, 471, 109 PPC were not attracting the prohibition contained in section 497 of CRPC. Full stop. New paragraph. Learned Deputy Prosecutor General, Punjab, duly assisted by the learned counsel for the complainant, opposed the present petition vehemently and rigorously on variety of the grounds. Full stop. They added that petitioner was working as a munshi of a Patwari. Full stop. He was mastermind of episode of the crime and main beneficiary thereof. Memo / further was got issued after 1 year of registration of the sale deed, which was meaningful and a question mark. Muhammad Imran, co-accused, was just an identifier. As such, he was allowed bail by this court, whereas the case of the petitioner was altogether on different footings, he committed act of high-handedness. As such, he was not entitled to any relief, despite of the fact that offences attracted against him were not falling within the category of prohibitory clause. Full stop.